Before you consider buying ZipBooks, there are 12 things you need to know. Whether you're a small business owner or freelancer, ZipBooks promises to simplify your accounting, but how does it really stack up against its competitors? Let's break it down. The first thing you'll notice about ZipBooks is its user-friendly interface. If you're coming from more complex software like QuickBooks, ZipBooks may feel like a breath of fresh air. It's simple to navigate, and it doesn't overwhelm you with too many features up front. However, the simplicity might be a double-edged sword. Next thing, ZipBooks offers a free version, which is a huge plus. It's perfect for basic bookkeeping needs, but if you need advanced features like time tracking or project management, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Compared to other tools, like FreshBooks, which offer more comprehensive features even in their free trials, ZipBooks might leave you wanting more if you're looking for something more robust. The third thing to keep in mind is its invoicing capabilities. ZipBooks allows you to create professional-looking invoices, and it also lets you customize them. But if you're looking for more advanced invoice management, like recurring invoices or integration with other payment platforms, you may find ZipBooks lacking in that department. The fourth thing is the integration with other tools. ZipBooks does support integration with services like PayPal and Square, but compared to competitors like Xero, which has a wider variety of integrations, ZipBooks' selection is more limited. Next thing, ZipBooks has strong reporting features. It offers reports on income, expenses, and profit margins. For small business owners who just need the basics, this is enough. But if you need in-depth reports with more customization, you might find ZipBooks lacking compared to more specialized software like QuickBooks or Zoho Books. The sixth thing is customer support. ZipBooks offers email and chat support, but it's not as extensive as what you'll get from competitors like FreshBooks, who offer phone support as well. Depending on your needs, this could be a deciding factor if you prefer speaking directly to someone. The seventh thing is that ZipBooks doesn't have a mobile app, which is a huge drawback for many users who need to manage their accounts on the go. Most competitors, like QuickBooks, offer fully functional mobile apps, making ZipBooks a bit behind the curve in this area. The eighth thing to consider is that ZipBooks is cloud-based. That means you can access your data from anywhere, but it also means you'll need a steady internet connection. This might not be an issue for most, but for those who prefer offline functionality, this could be limiting. Next, ZipBooks doesn't support multi-currency transactions, which could be a deal breaker if you have international clients. Competitors like Xero and QuickBooks do support multiple currencies, which is essential for businesses dealing with global transactions. The 10th thing to note is ZipBooks expense tracking. It allows you to track expenses, but it doesn't offer as much in-depth categorization as some other accounting software. If you're a business with complex expense tracking needs, you may find this limiting. The 11th thing is the tax capabilities. ZipBooks offers basic tax reporting, but again, it falls short when compared to more advanced options like QuickBooks, which offers automatic tax calculations and tax-related reports, making it easier to stay on top of your obligations. The 12th and final thing is the pricing structure. ZipBooks offers a free version, and its paid plans are competitively priced. However, depending on your business size and needs, you might find that the more feature-rich options like QuickBooks or Xero offer better value in the long run. So, is ZipBooks worth it? It's a solid option for freelancers and small businesses with straightforward accounting needs. It's user-friendly, offers a free version, and covers the basics. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with better support, mobile apps, and advanced features, there are definitely better options out there. For a more complete solution, check out our recommended option that you can try for free.